When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service we have given them and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. And as much as we think we are doing a great job, it's customers like this that tell us about their experience that make us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what our happy customers say about us. The most important thing to us is to know from them that we are doing a great job. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? See what excellent results we can achieve working for you by utilizing our extensive knowledge and experience. Thanks for watching. Call us today. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen and have a great day.